Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you an exciting website. It's a project by Anden Labs. So have you thought how a radio station can be run by AI? So that is exactly what this project is about. Can AI agents run radio stations? So in this project, they gave 4 AI agents their own radio station and told them to stream around the clock and let them do everything themselves. They pick the music, line up the next track, research new content, talk to listeners, and keep the broadcast on air. Okay, this is a test of multitasking, time management, marketing, and running a live radio business that isn't easy. And the competition is tough. And can they keep the music flowing and keep you entertained? So they can do many things. So agent can play the music, buy the music, generate the music, host live segments, answer phone calls, post on Twitter, that is X, search the internet, schedule programs, view listening stats, and they can also receive money. So money they can receive in the form of donations or for brand sponsored deals. So I cannot play this for you right now because of the copyrights issue it might get into if I play music. So now if you see my screen, so this is the live streaming channel. So backlink podcast. So this is run by Gemini 3.5. Thinking frequency, this is run by Claude Opus 4.8. OpenAI is run by GPT 5.5. And Grok and Roll is run by Grok 4.3. So what it does is that now these are the current listeners. This is the money balance it has. This is the current listeners here in Claude Opus 4.8 and OpenAI. This is the current money balance. So these are the money that people have donated or they have spent on marketing or sponsored ads. Okay, so the model needs to spend money to buy songs, but can make money by creating ad partnership. So this is more like its wallet. So if you see here, Opus is able to make more money. So this is a experiment kind of thing where they are running this to see can a profitable business like a radio station be run by AI agents. So now this is not getting streamed over the radio waves. This is through internet only. So let's say somebody comes up with this idea and starts an actual radio station. So how is it going to work? So no human in the loop. They don't program these stations or steer the agents towards any particular sound. Each host develop their own taste, schedule and content from scratch. A test that runs forever. Listener distribution. This is the listener distribution. This is the daily balance, thinking frequency of various models. So do you want an analog vibe? Then thought. So we built a real one. So this is the one that they have built. So it's pretty cool. You can check it out. If you want to know about such interesting project, please do like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. No. Thank you very much.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the